Hey, what's up everybody? Mr. Paul Valine here with the 2003 H2. Did you know that there's a gas filter underneath the frame of this? I bet you this one's never been replaced since nothing else has been replaced. Let's get down there and check it out. Okay, first things first is what I'm gonna do. It's what I was always taught at the shop. Take off the gas cap, release any pressure that's in there. And pretty much tool-wise, I'm gonna use the socket. I don't know if it's a 7 or an 8. We'll figure it out. And some needle noses. And in the box here, yeah, not only did you get the filter, but you got the little clips. I mean, I bet you those little clips in there are 2003. Let's get those old suckers out. Remember now, in and out. Pay attention to that. Okay, so we are underneath the truck, right in the back here, where the transfer case ends. So I'm gonna lift the phone up, look at that. You see that? That's a gas filter. I'm gonna take that off and show you guys what it looks like. I wanna see the words on it. Is it gonna say Fram? Is it gonna say like AC Delco or whatever? I can't wait to get that off and see. I bet you it's gonna run a lot better after I replace that little gas filter that takes 8 miles to the gallon's worth. So let's get to it. So right there, that's an 8 mil. I got the 8 ready to go with an extension, quarter ratchet, make life a little bit easier. And it's not that deep in here. It's definitely in a different spot than normal vehicles. Put that in a place you do not lose it. Okay. So you have 2. And it's sitting sideways. So I'm gonna get my needle noses. There we go, how about that? Okay, let me get the needle noses. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab a Sharpie and I'm gonna just mark this side. So that will be whatever the out or the in. So we don't have to try to remember or so. So I'm gonna get in here, squeeze this. Huh. Just use your fingers.
Well, hopefully after this you'll get a little bit more better mile per hour gallon.
Yeah, right.
Maybe like 2.
Better than nothing. Okay, so I just loosened one side. I'm afraid to take
2 miles that makes you get to the gas station.
Heck yeah, or to work.
You use up to 10, and then you use the extra 2 to find a gas station.
Right. Okay, so I got that one loose. Now we gotta get this back one loose. Like I said, I use my fingers, so I'm gonna try to use my fingers on this one too. But it's a little harder to get your hands in there. My arm doesn't go, only goes so far on this side. No, I can't see. Maybe it'll help me if I take it off. Just take it off. Okay, so there's that. Can't see this way. All right, we finally got it, people. Did you see that? Now watch this. Let's get it on the floor. Okay, first things first. That's the side with the arrow. So that is going to be our, this one doesn't say, but it's not in the middle. So it's the one on the side there that will be the same side you're connecting it to. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop it on the floor. Okay, now look at this. Look at this. All right, let's see what it looks like. That's not even see-through. That is dirty.
You haven't tapped it.
Oh, I did. I threw it on the floor.
Oh, did you?
The only thing is, this is... Oh, wait. We do... Yup. Folks, take a look at that. If you read that, it says AC Delco, which means on 145,000 miles, most likely, this has not been changed unless somebody has taken it to the dealer. Crazy. My truck's going to be happy on this one. All right, so let's get in there and put that new one in. Okay, so the gas filter just came in. MicroGuard number 33129. Do you know... Well, there's a picture of what gas filters look like. But let's see what the Hummer one looks like. A little bit different than normal. And remember, you have an in and you have an out. So you have to pay attention on which way yours is going to come out. You put it in wrong, it's not going to run right. So let's get down there and get it done. Placing a gas filter is not usually hard, but especially if it's been in there since 2003, I mean, you're going to have to fiddle with these plastic parts because they're stuck, you know? They're stuck and they're brittle and, you know, just be careful with this stuff. And come on, let's get back in there and put it in. So out is this cable right here because it's going out to the engine, okay? So I'm going to do out on this one. Let's do the first one first. Okay, out. There we go. Put them in the plastic first. And then push them in. There we go. Yank on them, make sure they don't come out. Put it back in its position. All right, that's it. Okay, when you're done, come back over here, put your gas cap back on. Get your keys. Don't start it right away because you have no gas in the lines. So what you do after that is you prime it. Just turn the key on once, twice, and then I'll do it one more time. Now we'll start it. Happy truck.